joined in month of April. So excited to for swimming.
We are here at this place on the bank of river Mandovi, and the reason is we are organizing this event annually, which we are organizing. The event is crossing the river Mandovi. We have been organizing this event under the banner of Amigos de Clark for the last 5 years, but we have been holding this event annually for the last 20 years. And today again we are assembled here for this event. We are very happy to inform there is a very good response, lot of enthusiasm from the youngsters, especially the children. Today we have got over more than 20 students who will be crossing this river Mandovi from the other side to this side. It gives us a lot of pleasure to see that parents are encouraging their children for this event. So first of all, I actually appreciate the parents for bringing their children here for this event. Secondly, when we organize this event, we we have an objective, that is that these young people, young children, boys and girls, by going through this swimming, they will perform well, and in future they will become one of the best sports person, not only in Goa but even at the national level. We have got a very good coach here, Inacio Raposo, who has been training the children for the last so many years, and on record he has produced gold medalists. To mention a few, there is one gold medalist who is a very senior person who is present here. His name is Sebastian Di Costa. As we have this event, we are likely to we are expecting a chief guest in a very short time. That is Advocate Maria, as well as another advocate. So we are very happy that this event is taking place once again this year. We hope to have such events all over Goa. I have been requested by one of the media person just now, saying that such events don't happen in the north. Now all these people who are come from the south, we also request that people from the north, they should also mobilize themselves, hold such events. Apart from that, we also appeal to the government. If you want to have these young people to come up in this event of sports, especially swimming, swimming has to start at the grassroots level, that is at the village. Let us introduce swimming at the school level. Let us introduce swimming at the village level. Let us have the facilities. We have just heard yesterday there is one pool which is very idle for so many years because there are no facilities, there are no coaches, there is no maintenance. But in spite of this, it is very inspiring to see that clubs like Amigos under the aegis of Goa Swimming Association, and they have been doing this program for the last so many years. I am very happy, and we will continue to do this for the years to come. We will be also distributing prizes to these young people. This is not a competition. This is an event because it's not an easy to cross the river. There are currents of the water. That you can see the scorching heat above, and apart from that, it is an adventure for these young people. So we are happy, and we'll be distributing these certificates as well as these lovely trophies. This event, as I've said, we are having it annually, and this event has been taking place, and we have seen the normal people taking part in this event. But recently, we have seen there are differently abled people taking part in this place. This is very surprising. We say that people with disability, they cannot perform, but it's not so. We have the disabled or differently able people taking class in this, so we should appreciate and have our support to such people.
My name is Kikya Diet. I want to swim. I like to swim. Inajo and Plakajo and learn me to swim. Thank you.
I I hear alarm या दोरिया लागून आयल्या लागली. So या वेळार भुरगीं आमची 22 भुरगीं बरोबर स्विम करून येवटेनसून तेवटेन वयतालो. तुज्या आठ भुरग्यांक पाठोवन तूं एका भुरग्याच्या फाटल्यान घेवन आमकां दोरयो बरो तरेन पार करून तूं तांकां आदार दी. तुजे घोव आमोणें सगल्या भुरग्यांचेर तूं आनी सगळ्यांक वायटा बिगडांतली तूं तांकां निवड आनी तांकां एक करेज बरें स्ट्रेंथ आनी भिजूड कोण आसा जाल्यार तांचे वयले ते काडून घे आनी तांकां बरे भाशेन करून तूंच तांकां आदार दी. त्या तुजे लागीं मागता त्या भुरग्यांक तुजे पोकोटा काळ सांबाळून दवर आनी सगळे वायटा बिगडांतली तूं तांकां निवड आनी ती सगळी दोरयो पार करून चोयतीवन जावन ती परतून या डोकार परतून येवची तांकां सोद. आमी सगळे मागता तुवें क्रिस्तांव वरवीं बापाचेर उदकाचेर
राहुल पाटील हो ना.
I'm Israel Traverso. I'm from Chelde, Kopramodi, Kepe, Taluka. First time I swam in Mandovi Lake. I'm from Garden Ninja School. I practice in Manka Fatoda swimming pool. I was so glad that I crossed the river. Thank you so much for your support. The training was good. They taught how to. They thought that you don't have anywhere to touch while coming again, and so I had to continuously do swimming. It was very tiring, but I managed to did it.
So my name is Aditi and I am from Fatoda. I train at Fatoda under Rapos coach, and today I am here for this Manvi river crossing. I crossed first time. It was really a nice experience. So I liked it very much. Thank you. The training was good. It was regular, and because of coach I could able to cross this river today. They teach like when you go in deep water how you can swim and the practice and speed and everything. They float because they have practiced, and the practice making them perfect to swim.
Come on, swim! Come on, swim, swim! Fast! Come on, come on! Sit up.
म्हजें नांव अर्णव. हांव रविंद्र केळकर ज्ञान मंदिर शिकता. हांव मडगांव पावर हावस. हावस उदक खूब खारट आसलें, पूण आमकां मजा येयली. भितर नुस्तीं आसलीं, तेंकां सुद्दां पळयल्लें. आं बांगडो.
My name is Annalie. I'm from Varka. This is the best experience ever, as you get to learn swimming and more of river crossing.
It was like a good experience in going in the river and swimming over there, and I had fun over there.
My name is Profila Fernandez. I am from Shelde, Kepengua. It was my husband's hand to give my child a step to do this crossing. He used to take him every day for classes in the mornings, and then afterwards he used to attend the school. We supported him with practicing at home as we have a pool at home. And this was our aim, like for him, for his lifetime, so that he can do a best and be a champion.
Come this side. किती मेडल्स आहे भुरगीं आमकां असो मार मदें मार आतां ती भुरगीं गेली तशी मार अशें थिंगान वचनाका ती आसा ती तूं थांब रे हुय तूं पोता रे बरं काय चालतंय उडकी मारलं देशी बांधलेली कमान 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 Decide. Hello. Left. On your left. Left. On your left. Hey, left. Come this side. Left. Bro. Now straight. लेटर ऑफिशियली चालीस स्टार्ट कवर जाएगी थैंक यू Come on. Pull.
It was a nice event. The water looks yellow, and the current, unfortunately, was pushing me, and I didn't even notice. Then I fought back the current and won. Hello, my name is Manasvi Karekar. It was great experience. I enjoyed it. I, I am thankful to Rapo sir.
My name is Blossy Gonsalves, and we have participated from Varka. This was my daughter's first attempt in river crossing, and she's been preparing from last 1 month, from the starting of April, and it was a good experience for her. Even I was like waiting for this moment, and I felt very good looking at so many children participating, and looking forward to for more participation in future.
Faster! Come. Don't go there. Come.
My name is Jaisal Barreto. I'm from Navili. I study in Fatima Convent High School, Margao. It was good, little tough, but I enjoyed the experience.
How was your practice time?
The practice time was good, so Ignacio coached us good.
My name is Ashik Pradeep Kumar. I am from Goa, Savarden. I had an amazing experience thanks to my sir, coach Sir Ignacio, and my parents. It was very nice, amazing. It was a bit tough, but it was really amazing, nice, and all.
What did you learn in technique of swimming like?
I learned that you should go really smooth when you're gliding and all. It's a bit hard to come, but still you have to.
You want to swim more?
Yeah, I mean yes.
Your name?
Come to your right. Come to your left. Take it left. Take it left.
Road for you. Slowly. Come to your right.
My name is Kenisha DeCosta, and I thank my sir Ignacio Raposo, and it was nice to swim in the Mandovi River. I enjoyed it.
So what was the experience like? Water?
There was a strong current in the water, and some of the children went that side. I liked, but it was so nice of swimming in the Mandovi River, and thank you for making the event for us.
Hello, my name is Raj Nandini and I am from Margao. Today I am here to cross the Mandavi River. And I love swimming and swimming is my hobby.
How was the experience?
Yeah, my experience was good and my training was very hard, so that's why I can cross that.
It is our pleasure to be a part of this beautiful swimming event. Swimming is not just a sport, it is a discipline that builds strength, commitment, and dedication. Every swimmer today knows that success doesn't come in one day. It comes with long hours of practice, and someone has to push them beyond their limits. Today, being a part of this event
which is organized by the Amigos de Clare in association with Goa Swimming Association. I would like to thank the organizers for such a beautiful event, for their dedication, their hard work, and paying attention to every detail, which has made this event a successful one. I congratulate all the swimmers who has given the dedication, commitment, and they have shown that if you commit to something, they can achieve it. And today, every swimmer is a champion just because they have that courage to push in, dive in, and participate in such an event. I thank the parents who have supported them, guided them, and shaped their careers. And I wish all the swimmers and the organizers all the best. And thank you.
And I'm glad to be a part of this beautiful event, a event of crossing of the Mandovi River from Ribandar to Diwar. It is truly a great event, especially for the young athletes. No matter whoever has reached to the finish line and whoever has not, it is just for them to carry forward and not to give up in whatever they have taken up. One word of guidance to them, not to be discouraged, no matter whether they have achieved it for whatever they have come today, but because of this they shouldn't give up and continue in participating in future more events. And a special great regards to the parents, to the coaches for their great determination, for being a support for their children, and for the coaches for their relentless support at every point of their coaching time. I would like to thank the coach, the managing committee for making me a part of this prestigious event. Thank you.
It is a privilege to be a part of this swimming event. Swimming is not just a sport. It is a discipline that builds strength, dedication, help us to stay focused and committed. Every swimmer today has seen that success not just comes overnight, but it comes through inspiration, it comes from dedication, it takes long hours of practice to fulfill and to push beyond its limits. I like to thank the organizers, Amigos de Clare, in association with Goa Swimming Association, for organizing such events. I like to thank the parents for supporting, guiding, and shaping the young athletes and swimmers to follow their passion. I like to congratulate all the swimmers for your dedication. It takes courage to dive in and get to that point. Today, you might want or not, but your participation itself is an achievement. So hats off to you all. Keep swimming, keep shining. Thank you.
My name is Nasya. I am 8 years old. I swim in the Mandovi river and I got a prize.